I can remember her telling us, see mummy, without my leg, I'm still Mia. But without sport in my life, I'm not Mia. Our lives changed dramatically.
They said I had two options, to keep my leg or to amputate it.
And we spoke to the consultant. She thought the best option was an amputation.
And that she needed to start chemotherapy immediately.
If I kept my leg, I wouldn't be able to do my sports, my running.
Mia wants to try everything from skiing to climbing, canoeing to golf.
Anything and everything.
Very, very proud.
Incredibly proud of her.
She's been so brave. She's a really big inspiration.